Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to load beta-alanine. Beta-alanine is an amino acid that helps your muscles produce carnosine, a compound vital for buffering acid during intense workouts. To truly experience its benefits, you need to follow a specific loading protocol. This initial phase is essential for saturating your muscles, leading to improved performance in high-intensity exercises, typically those lasting between 1 and 10 minutes. Let's dive into the details of how to do this effectively. For optimal results during the loading phase, aim to consume between 4 and 6 grams of beta-alanine each day. It's important to divide this total into smaller, individual doses, ideally no more than 2 grams per serving. This strategy helps your body absorb the supplement more efficiently and significantly reduces the likelihood of experiencing paresthesia, that common tingling sensation, which is completely normal and harmless. To effectively load beta-alanine, you should consistently follow the daily dosage for at least 2 weeks to begin noticing improvements. However, for the most significant increase in muscle carnosine levels and enhanced performance, it is highly recommended to continue this loading phase for a full 4 to 6 weeks. This extended period can elevate your muscle carnosine by as much as 60%, leading to substantial gains in your exercise capacity. Once you've completed your loading phase, you can transition to a maintenance dose of about 3 to 4 grams of beta-alanine daily to sustain your elevated carnosine levels. Remember, consistency is paramount. Taking it every day is more crucial than the specific timing around your workouts. For even better absorption, consider taking your beta-alanine with a meal, as this can further optimize its effectiveness in your body.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.